I feel like I missed the memo that moms are actually honorary elves. I look forward to Christmas every year, completely forgetting how exhausted I am going to be. Decorating, baking, shopping, meal planning. Don't even get me started on these elves. It's like there's this invisible pressure that creeps in as soon as the first Christmas commercial hits the airwaves, which makes me wonder, can Christmas be magical for the magic maker? I do believe that Christmas can be magical for the magic makers. We just gotta tweak a few things. Everything does not have to be perfect. And for those of you clutching your pearls right now, I used to be the first person clutching my pearls if anyone suggested anything less than perfect for me. Because in my mind, all I saw was disorganization, chaos, and a mess. But what I've actually learned is that letting up on my perfection standard didn't make the world fall apart. It actually made it more enjoyable for me and my family. I don't have to have a perfectly decorated tree. I'll always have a tree to decorate when my kids are grown and gone. But the time we spend together decorating the tree, that should be the moment. So easy to forget that it's about the experience and not just the outcome. If you really, really want an aesthetic tree, which I get it, I like my things nice. Have a tree with your kids that they get to decorate with you and y'all just have fun. Remember, it's about finding ways to make it magical for everyone, you included. This year, we're learning how to say no. We have free will. We can say no to things. What we aren't going to do this year is load up our schedule with a ton of activities, parties, and obligations that we don't even want to do. Sit down with your family and figure out a couple of holiday traditions that you're most excited about. Everything else, give yourself permission to let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Okay, don't sing. This is going to make those traditions that you do focus on so much more enjoyable because you're not going to be spread thin, burnt out, and stressed out from trying to do everything. See the trend here? It's magical for all of us. And finally, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we put ourselves on our to-do lists. This is the easiest time of the year to neglect yourself. It's cold outside, your skin is dry, you're not drinking enough water, you're snacking on sugary treats every day. The last thing we need is to feel burnt out and start falling apart. Make sure you're still making time to go to the gym, walk, get your body moving. Taking time for yourself is essential to you enjoying the magic of this season. Year after year, we're basically crawling across the finish line of the holiday season into the new year, feeling completely touched out, stressed out, and burnt out. But that ends this year. We are throwing perfection out the window, learning that we have free will and we can say no, and putting ourselves on the to-do list because magic makers deserve the magic too. All right, I love you guys. I hope you have the happiest, bestest, merriest Christmas of all. No video next week because I will be taking my own advice and I will be spending time with my family, but I will be back the week after that. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time.